Bonnie. Happy Friday! Oh my goodness, you guys made it to Friday, the day before the first day of fall. What do we get at Bath and Body Works? We get Christmas candles. So I kind of suspected that these were going to land online today. I actually went in my store and I did pick up a whole bunch of the White Barn candles for $13.95, including Cedar and Suede. I'm so glad they brought this one back. I think this is like my favorite pine candle from Bath and Body Works now. It is soft cedar, warm incense, and velvety suede. There's no pine note in there, but I don't know, it gives off like a cedary pine essence, even though there's no pine note. I don't know. This one's amazing. I love this one. So I'm going to go through all of the new candles online. The ones that did not arrive yet are any of these. These are a little bit more Christmassy. These will be coming later. Love the lid. This is the peppermint sugar cookie, which everyone loves so much. So I'm going to start putting up some screenshots in a second. Candles today, $13.95, free shipping with the code FALL. I actually decided to order online. The free shipping was like, you know what? I don't really have time to go in the store today, so I'm like, I'm doing an online order, and I got like 4 or 5 of them. So I'm going to put a screenshot up, and we're going to go through these. So just added Winter, which is in the same jar style as the cocoa roasted chestnuts that I had showed you. They have like this hammered metal collection, Frozen Lake, Cedar and Suede, and then 'Tis the Season, which I picked up yesterday. Next up, we have Winter Pear Forest. I ordered that one. I actually smelled that one the other day. It smells amazing. Mahogany Balsam, Snowy Peachberry. I bought Snowy Peachberry. It's not my favorite, but actually the candle didn't smell too bad this year. Like, what's going on? And then Falling Flurries, which we've had in the past. And then the next row is Frosted Cranberry. I did get that one. Spiced Citrus Grove. I got that one. Pistachio and Toasted Vanilla. I'm really curious about that one. I ordered it. And then the White Eucalyptus and Sage. And then the final set is the Cocoa Roasted Chestnuts, which I'll talk about in a minute. Birchwood Orchard. I got that one. Fresh Balsam and Eucalyptus Snowfall. So there's like 3 designs that are available in the Christmas section. So, which one? Oh, I was going to go to Pistachio and Toasted Vanilla first. That one is Salted Pistachios and Toasted Vanilla Almonds. That sounds familiar. I'm not sure what that one is. And then we also have the pink one, which is Birchwood Orchard. White birch trees, fresh apples, and a hint of clove. That one actually smells kind of like fall because, like I said, I did smell these in the store the other day. I did buy the cocoa roasted chestnuts, and I love this one. If you're looking for an early chocolate, this is the one you want to try. By the way, I did see the hot cocoa and cream in the store. It's beautiful. Roasted chestnuts, cocoa powder, and vanilla woods is this one. I saw and smelled hot cocoa and cream. I'm actually going to put a screenshot up right here. I did buy, like I said, peppermint sugar cookie. Also, Mary cookie. And then we're supposed to get this raspberry thumbprint candle that's supposed to be like a raspberry cookie bakery type thing going on. I am hoping that's new and different. I feel like, of course, Bath and Body Works has given us a lot of repackages, which they tend to do these days, and they are popular. That's the thing. Like, 'Tis the Season. I would love to see like how many 'Tis the Season and Fresh Balsam Bath and Body Works sells on any given year. So I guess there's 2, schools of thought here. One is, if it's not broke, don't mess with it. Meaning, we would never want Bath and Body Works to take away 'Tis the Season, all of our favorites, but I would like to see more new candles in the lineup because that's the one thing I feel like they just have not been doing. We're not getting a lot of new stuff. Cocoa Roasted Chestnuts. This is new. I really feel like this is completely different. But the pistachio and toasted, what is it? Toasted vanilla. I don't know. I'm kind of thinking that could be a repackage. We had the beautiful gold lid. It's funny because this is actually Harvest Gathering. It's actually a Thanksgiving candle. But you know what? This gold lid looks so much better on the, look at this. Look at it. Like, this is a work of art. Oh my gosh, the gold in the candle picks up the lid. I literally want a set of these gold lids to put on these candles. They're beautiful. I mean, look at the difference between this one and this one. They should have either jazzed up the jar on this a little bit, or they should have put the gold lids on here. The problem with the gold lid, though, is that the candle is $32.95. And I know a lot of people don't want to pay $32.95 for a candle. So I don't know. Is the lid really worth an extra $10? I don't know. That's kind of the conundrum here. Anyway, interesting. So let me know if you're shopping candles today. 'Tis the season. It's funny. I smelled this one yesterday. And I know it's so Christmassy, but oh my gosh, this smelled so fresh and wonderful. I was just like over the top. And cedar and suede also really got me excited for Christmas. I just wish we had more bakery too. Anyway, I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.